Voilà, je suis la directrice de Picaboo, la directrice étrangère de Picaboo, qui est une grande école, un jardin d'enfants au cœur de la concession française à Shanghai. On a 225 enfants de 25 nationalités différentes. Autant vous dire que c'est un brassage juste excitant.
Et dis-moi, comment ça s'est passé l'expérience peindre sans pinceau chez vous?
Alors, première étape, formation de nos professeurs. Et là, ça a été un bon moment parce que c'était une technique toute nouvelle, mais pour tout le monde. On avait des profs chinois très orientés peinture, art, donc de façon beaucoup plus scolaire bien évidemment, mais quand même très intrigués, et des professeurs donc anglais, français, belges, américains, et ont tous effectivement découvert l'outil. Deuxième étape, les enfants, et là, des enfants mais riants, surpris, étonnés, racontant à leurs parents ce qu'ils avaient vécu. On met 3 couleurs. Maman, là j'ai un petit garçon, Victor, il venait de raconter à sa maman: maman, mais tu peux pas t'imaginer. J'ai mis comme ça 1 couleur et 2 et 3, on a bougé, ça se diffusait, c'était merveilleux. Et ma petite Jeanne qui était aussi ce matin, mais plus qu'excitée. Je suis allée voir, je suis arrivée avec un papa pour montrer l'école qu'il ne connaissait pas. Il dit: tu sais que moi aujourd'hui, j'ai fait de la peinture avec Stéphanie. J'ai mis des couleurs et c'est devenu d'autres couleurs, c'était merveilleux. Donc voilà, un immense merci à Stéphanie. Je crois que l'école, elle est embarquée dans un projet qui commence à la dépasser. Mardi, on passe à des dimensions gigantesques sur des toiles d'1 mètre sur 2,50 mètres pour notre spectacle de fin d'année. J'en suis émue, je trouve ça super excitant. Merci.
Let's go!
Le bleu et le jaune.
Il y a comme une explosion, hein?
Oui, mais il est à nouveau camouflé, puis en descendant, il s'est complètement ouvert.
Ouais. So your painting becomes just like a line one. And the painting is a reflection of your personality. No, I don't want to fall in that trap. Really, I don't want to say that.
Maybe it's not wet.
Wow. Well, I see, Amagi, you're playing with the color and, you know, it's creating like some kind of halo.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. And see, you've been playing hard with those, all the colors. And look, there's no color that is dull in that painting. Really, everything is, you know, you see the yellow ones in the background, the whippers, it creates some brightness behind that gray. And it goes through here as well. Yeah, excellent. That's exactly what you said. That you go for it. Yes, exactly. Take some risk. Yeah. So Jordan keeps going with his finger foot, and now he's doing baby foot. Baby feet with finger. Oh, that's so cute. Very pretty. Well, that could be a good product actually. I could market. You know, you have a newborn kid, bring it to me. I'll stamp his feet on that.
You know what, Hannah? Not a control freak or whatever, but it's really difficult to have no idea what will be the result at all. Even, you know, a teddy bear, if you are not an artist, whatever, you can try to make some eyes and a head like that. Here, you have no idea. You press the paint and okay, then you try another direction. Oh, you have to imagine again and again and again.
You totally have no control over what you do.
Yeah,
That's right. So did it put you in your creative zone, you think?
it's true that there is something like the excitation is more and more and more, and it's endless. You want to eat like the peanuts.
Within only a few minutes, sometimes seconds. But this is why also I like to have many canvases in front of me all at once. So I do one and then I keep going and I play with, just like a pianist would play on a keyboard, you know? So,
You know what my next step would be?
And how did you get a peekaboo later then? You just
yeah,
this thing, like,
I'm going to remove the Picabo letters and just gonna wait that it gets dry a little bit more
yeah.
and you will see appearing. You will see it appearing. Look at the colors.
Seems you can write something easily.
Yeah, you write something.
You missed that part.
You know what? You can write something using the tissue as well. You can use also a Q-tip to write something. What you do is you scrub off, or you dab. Okay, the color. When it's dry, you can scrub off. So you wet on top of a dry surface, and with a Q-tip, you can scrub, and it peels the color off.
Okay.
Okay? I mean, it's endless, definitely. Anyone else wants to share?
Have you tried to combine the techniques with, you know, the ones that I always want to try that with the paint balloons
Yeah,
and then with the dart so it runs out?
yeah.
Does it give a similar result?
You know, that would be so much fun. I just have never had the space to do it, I guess, you know?
And we've got big canvases, let's try it.
That'd be so much fun. We could actually put some paint in the balloons and have the kids throwing them. That'd be fun. And then if we work on a wet surface, we can play with the color and get a result that would be like this. You know,
the water balloon, you fill it with paint and you throw it at the canvas, but it has to be wet so it goes.
so Karen, now that you are bringing us on the topic of working with kids with this technique, the idea with Pauline when we talked about it was not necessarily with the kids using these spray bottles, but having the painting into like a yogurt cups, you know, small yogurt cups. Yogurt cups, and then they would pour on from these.
I think
But your
maybe.
class is not doing it.
Oh, but okay then.
She can.
I can do it. But I think
No,
it's like
if you are confident that you can put your kids do it.
Yeah, but I can't like tell them all in once. Okay, kids, do this. I have to be one-to-one,
Yeah, so
which is possible.
Or a small group
Me?
of 4.
Me, I'm confident managing 4 to 5 children at the same time.
Okay.
But no more.
With an assistant.
No, me 5, me.
Yourself.
4, yeah, 4
How
to 5.
old are your kids?
3
3 years
on
old.
average, yes, 3 years.
Pascal?
I think so.
Not 5.
Yeah,
5 is too much. 3 to 4.
but we'll go step by step. I will.
Yeah.
It will be like.
Very quickly it can too much, as you said.
Plus, so do you see yourself explaining to the kids, first wet the canvas, then pour, and after play?
Yeah, you need to show. You're gonna show her every single step. I mean, for my kids, they're like same age as 3 years old, 3, 4. I need to show everything.
Yeah, first.
You think
yeah.
it will be difficult or?
It's okay.
It's okay. Would be okay, like in small groups would be good. Yeah.
Are there some metaphors that you can use to help the kids understanding the rules?
Sometimes.
Even if they don't understand the rules, they mess it up, it's still nice.
Yeah, that's what they will
Yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah.
They're gonna say
So-
for mixing, it's gonna be fun. Then they're gonna just blow with these. It's going to have like different.
They will not blow, they will...
There's not much to soak in.
Yeah, no, but that's acrylic, that's
Is it
not,
moist?
that's the point. No,
Is
it's,
this acrylic?
it's
Yeah, but you
acrylic,
don't
but-
want to drink that, of course.
Yeah, but you don't
No, but
do you
children
need to
do.
put acrylic?
Sorry?
Can it be done with
Poster
a
color.
different paint? Kid paint?
You can do it, yeah, that is kid paint.
This is kid paint.
Yeah, kid paint is also acrylic.
Does it wash out of
It's,
clothes?
yes, yes.
The question is, does it wash out of clothes actually?
Yes,
No.
it does if it's still wet, okay? I didn't wet my pants and they stay dirty, but if you have like one stained spot and you go with the spray bottle, it will wash out easily. But of course, on that specific day, you want to tell the parents to wear their kid, to dress their kids with some clothes that they don't really mind getting dirty. If something happens and you don't see it, then they won't believe you.
Now what about eating it? The paint?
No, it's not
Like
good.
put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, playing in their mouth. Well, that's how I said earlier. You have to set some rules with the kids. You have to set some rules and using some metaphors.
It's
to
not-
make
it's
that
not
easy.
always
Really dangerous. It's not.
No, they
to
won't
do
go
it,
to the
it's
hospital. But of course, if they drink the whole bottle, yes.
No, acrylic is more...
But I mean, just a little bit of pain on your tongue.
Oh, they do
or-
that. and
Yeah,
on
it's
the top.
okay. That is no problem. Okay, there's no like turpentine on this or like very strong chemicals. So that is fine. If there's a skin reaction, it's more likely to be a kid that has already skin, condition that, you know what I mean. Kids will have when we work on the big size, removing the masking fluid, they will be just like this having fun. It will be great.
So even for the small one, it's enough.
Oh, yeah.
Using a brush?
Absolutely.
Did you paint before?
I've always painted, but very controlled.
Or was it?
Que les enfants, c'est vraiment chouette de les voir épanouis, tu vois, d'avoir réussi quelque chose. Et, moi, je trouve que c'est entretenir la création d'artistes comme ça parce qu'ils sont fiers d'eux, ils ont réussi quelque chose, ils sont super contents
Oui.
d'avoir fait quelque chose d'eux-mêmes. Ça, c'est un
Ils ont tous travaillé avec les 3 couleurs primaires, avec de l'eau, avec un cadenas, mais le rendu à la fin est totalement différent. Si j'avais eu à faire les mélanges moi-même, en fait, je pense que je me serais trompé en fait sur la densité. Peindre sans pinceau, c'est une technique qui paraît assez simple en fait, et on se demande pourquoi personne n'y avait pensé avant. Et en fait, voilà, la peinture sans pinceau, c'est quoi? C'est juste une explosion de bonheur et de joie, quoi. Donc c'est bien.
La technique peindre sans pinceau, c'est pour moi ne plus avoir peur de la page blanche et de pouvoir se projeter dedans comme on projette sa peinture.